In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can add Fiverr payment method just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to add a payment method to your Fiverr account, it's super easy. All you have to do is you just need to open your Fiverr homepage, go to your Fiverr homepage like this, click on your profile picture, and click over here on billing and payments. You will be directly in this page over here to billing and payment. Click over here on payment method like this. Scroll down, you have payment method. You have credit card or PayPal. Click on add payment method. Okay, choose which payment method you want to add. If you have PayPal, you can use PayPal. If you have credit or debit card, you can use this one. Let's choose this one for example. So just click on credit or debit card. Just wait few seconds and here you go. All you have to do now is you just need to put your card information here. Your card number, expiration date, security code, and your name, and click on save. That's how we can add payment method on Fiverr. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.